Now, our career is how we spend most of our time. Most of our waking hours are actually invested in what we do. So no one wants to spend their hours doing something that they hate, right? So it makes good sense to pick something that you like and that you enjoy. So ask yourself, is this a career that you enjoy? Is being a financial advisor, being an insurance agent, is it something that you enjoy? Second question, am I good at it or can I be good at it? Now, again, it doesn't make sense to spend so much of our waking hours, so much of our lives doing something that we also do not have the aptitude to do well for, because that would be frustrating. We don't want to just keep on working and not get better at it. If we pick something that we're a natural talent for or that we have a talent for and that we get better and better over time, that is a good thing. So now we have might have to experiment to find out what are the things that we are actually good at. We might have to try out a few things before we actually find out, but at least we know, right? So that is what I did in 2011. While I was still finishing up my project at that time, I told myself that I wanted to prove that I can actually make our company's annual incentive. We call it Star Club. So to make the long story short, I achieved Star Club in 2011 and have been achieving it since then. So am I good at it or can I be good at it? And my answer at the time until now is yes. And for me, the answer is contribute to others at the highest level possible, at the highest level of which you are capable of giving. I believe that the key to wealth is to contribute and to provide value to others while earning a profit proportionate to the value that you are creating. Will this business or career provide you with financial abundance? And my answer is yes. Lastly, and for me, the most important question, will this make people's lives better? And my answer is a resounding yes. To create a successful career or business, you must choose your calling carefully and you must choose it right. Choose something that you're good at, that you enjoy, doing it in a financial model that works for you. Find a way to contribute to others at the highest level. If you make yourself valuable to other people, then they will pay you. So ask yourself this question: how can I make other people's lives better? The key to wealth is to contribute to others at the highest possible